How foie gras is made begins with 7,000 geese in controlled production.
How foie gras is made starts from raw nature.
How foie gras is made is precision farming.
Vérifiez bien la texture avant de passer à l'étape suivante.
Here in the heart of the factory, precision automation ensures every jar of our luxury foie gras is perfectly filled and sealed for optimal freshness.
Every jar of our finest foie gras is meticulously placed into these elegant wooden boxes, ensuring the gold foil catches the light.
A slight adjustment on the salt is needed.
Agreed. Increasing batch input by 2%.
Here in the heart of the factory, the terrines are filled with surgical precision by these advanced robotic systems.
Scannez celui-ci pour la commande américaine.
Attention au chariot, déplacez cette palette vers l'allée 3.
Palette 45B to bay 2, watch the ramp.
Roger that.
Allez, encore un effort sur celle-là.
C'est fait. Tout est sécurisé et la température est stable. Everything in order for the delivery. Yes, all set. Have a safe trip.
The throughput on line 3 is exceeding expectations.
Good, we should be able to clear the shipment by tonight.
Il faut cette palette pour le camion 3.
D'accord, je scanne. La prochaine va au camion 5.
Regardez, c'est stable à 2,9.
Excellent, on peut fermer.
Attention à la palette.
Combien reste-t-il pour l'expédition de Paris?
2 caisses de plus et c'est bon.
From the factory floor to the bustling streets of the city, we ensure every delivery of fresh foie gras is handled with the utmost care.
Another crate for the main counter.
Perfect, I will handle it from here.
We need to prioritize the terrines today.
This is the foie gras entier from the Land region.
Yes, it is prepared following the traditional recipe right here in the factory.
Is this the one with the figs you mentioned?
No, that's the one just below it. This one is pure duck foie gras.
Ces bocaux sont vieillis en cave pendant 12 mois pour une saveur optimale. Lot number 42, inspected and logged.
Move these jars to the preparation station immediately.
Place the fig compote just below the slice, s'il vous plaît.
Oui, chef.
Le toast est prêt, nous pouvons commencer le dressage.
Oui, chef.
Les garnitures sont prêtes.
2 plates ready for the pass.
Yes, chef. Coming right now. The glaze is set. Garnish looks excellent, chef.
Thank you, chef. Ready for pickup.
2 poêlées de foie gras.
Bien reçu, chef.
The texture is absolutely divine, almost as rich as the Sauterne pairing.
It truly elevates the experience. This is our finest seared foie gras, prepared traditionally and served with a reduction of Sauterne wine and locally sourced figs.
Oh, that is exquisite. Absolutely divine.
This is absolutely divine, the best foie gras I've ever had. To the chef.
We've marinated this preparation in Armagnac for 2 days.
The texture is absolutely divine, chef. C'est parfait, juste un petit peu à gauche.
Oui, chef. On prépare le suivant. À votre santé.
Exquisite.
We must come back next week.
2 magnifiques assiettes, prêtes pour la salle.
Reçu, chef. Merci beaucoup.
The texture is simply divine.
I agree. The best I've had in France.
To the finest foie gras in all of France.
Cheers.
2 minutes sur le prochain.
Oui, chef.
Table 12, ça part.
This seared foie gras is absolutely divine. The truffle shavings add such a depth flavor.
A true delicacy, this exquisite foie gras is gently seared to perfection and paired with a rich, glossy sauce.
To the finest foie gras in all of France.
Cheers, everyone.
C'est parfait. Envoyez-le. Reçu, chef. Bonsoir. Welcome to the French Foie Gras factory. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, it's under Smith.
Excellent. Please, right this way.
That was simply divine. The foie gras was exquisite.
And the crepe Suzette smells heavenly.